A powerful car audio system needs more than just good speakers and amps. It needs safe, reliable wiring. But too many people overlook critical details that can lead to major problems. Today on Auto and Moto, we're breaking down the 5 most dangerous mistakes people make with car audio wiring kits. First, using undersized wire. Many cheap wiring kits falsely advertise 4-gauge or 0-gauge sizes, but inside, the actual conductor is much thinner. Using wire that can't safely carry the necessary current leads to voltage drop, weak system performance, overheating, and in extreme cases, electrical fires. Second, poor grounding. A bad ground connection, either too small, too long, or connected to painted surfaces, causes serious instability. Expect weak bass, amp clipping, system shutdowns, and major electrical noise. A clean, solid ground is just as important as a strong positive connection. Third, cheap fuse holders and weak fusing. If you're using a low-quality fuse holder, or worse, skipping a fuse altogether, you're risking total system failure. A properly sized fuse close to the battery protects not just your audio gear, but your entire vehicle from short circuits and electrical fires. Fourth, mixing copper-clad aluminum, CCA, with real copper wiring without realizing it. Many budget kits use CCA instead of pure OFC, oxygen-free copper, causing resistance issues, overheating, and early system failure. Always verify your wiring materials before trusting them with your amp and battery. Fifth, sloppy routing and protection. Running wires near sharp edges, hot engine parts, or moving suspension components without proper grommets and shielding is a recipe for disaster. Wire insulation can rub through or melt, causing shorts that can fry your expensive electronics or start a fire. In conclusion, wiring mistakes are not just bad for sound quality, they're dangerous. Take the time to choose the right kit, use proper installation techniques, and prioritize real copper, solid grounds, correct fusing, and safe routing. Protect your investment and your vehicle.